Hey everyone, so I just put my iPhone in a tree. Gonna see if this works. But this is another video of a red-tailed hawk. Filmed this a few months ago now in the summer, but it's another great video of some red-tailed hawk calling. And my first one is my first video to hit 30,000 views, so I appreciate that. It's pretty cool to have a video that's taken off, even though it's my shortest video on YouTube. Yeah, another cool video. We got a close-up of the red tail, and he flies above me and then takes off. So hope you enjoy, and if you do like that, check out my channel for more wildlife videos. So